Yo, hello everybody. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Yo, how you guys doing? All right. Yo, everybody. Israel Trader speaking right here, and you are all welcome to this live stream. So yeah, it's been a while, a couple of days ago, I did not come live on YouTube and things like that, but because the market was kind of crazy. But so, but the market is kind of settled right now. That's why I'm coming live on the array and things like that. All right, so it is what it is. We took a couple of losses, man. Our first GU trade, and yeah, GU and EU, right? I think so. GU and EU, he stopped losses. So it is what it is. We took it, so and focus because in this forex trading, you gotta lose some and win some. So that's just how it is, man. That's just how it is. You gotta give the market some, and you take some. The only thing is that don't over risk and don't over trade, right? It is very very important. But we took two losses, man. Two losses this week. So it is what it is, and we are able to recover from uh, from it, right? So that's a very very good step to take, and that's just it, man. All right, so yeah, I just see a buy signal on this Euro USD this morning on this on our free Telegram channel, premium student channel, and also the VIP channel, right? So I just give you guys that signal. So yeah, I will try to explain to you guys, what I'm seeing in the market and things like that on this Euro USD, and why did I even buy this pair, right? So they can understand I'm not randomly trading any pair in the market. I must have my signal confluences and things like that. So it is very very important for you to take note of that, right? All right, guys. So let me share the a link with our students, a VIP premium and free student, right? I gotta share the links with them. It is very very important, guys, so that them too they can come and join us, and things like that. All right, all right. Let me share the link with them, guys. Very very important. All right. Yo, I'm sharing the link with them now. All right. Yep, 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 yep. Share the link with each and every one of you guys. All right, guys. Yeah, let's continue, man. Let's continue. Okay. All right. Yo, let's continue. So yeah, first of all, I'll try and set stop loss and take profit for this Euro USD trade, so that we can, kind of put our stop loss, take profit, and things like that, so you can understand which one is the risk ratio and things like that we are taking on this Euro USD, right? And of course, I did not do my analysis on 50 minutes time frame because you guys are seeing 50 minutes time frame. So I did not take my do my analysis on this. I just got into this trade on this 50 minutes time frame, right? That's just what I did. So I did my analysis on the higher time frames, not right here on 50 minutes or whatever. I don't do my analysis on 50 minutes time frame. You guys already know that. So yeah, it is what it is, and let me first of all set stop loss, take profit, and things like that on this Euro USD. It is very very important, guys. And also, this is like our second trade of the day, because there's one trade that I share with my VIP and premium students as well. So this is our second trade of the day right now. So you know let me just give you stop loss, take profit, so that you can understand exactly where our stop loss and where our take profit is, right? Very very important. So stop loss is going to be right here for about 50 pips. So you see the number, it's right there as well. So let me put first TP around this zone, which is going to be for 30 pips. So yeah, let me arrange take profit, stop loss, and things like that, guys, before we continue with this trade, right? It is very very important. So here, which is Euro USD buy, and I'm risking 50 pips on this. Risking 50 pips. Then the stop loss is around price 1.19032. Then the false tip is around price 1.19835. That's 30 pips. Then 50 pips around price 1.20034. 20034. The final take profit is for I think 100 and something pips, 130 pips, 130 pips, and that's around price 1.20842. That 130 pips. That's the final take profit, guys. 130 pips. All right. Yep. Okay, my entry point is 1.19535. That's my entry point on Euro USD. So boom, I update my premium students. Let me update VIP. Let me update VIP. Then boom, let me update free students now, which is free in my free Telegram channel. All right, boom. I just updated you guys about the stop loss, take profit, and things like that for Euro USD just now. So yeah, you can go to our free Telegram channel and check it out, because I just shared it, right? So now I'll now put the data right here so that you can just be taking note of what exactly we are doing, so that you can see it as well, right? So let me first of all put something like this and increase it to maybe 32. Yep, I think 32 is okay. And just put it right here and lock it. Then I'm going to put take profit and things like that as well, just like that. And boom, this is take profit now. And yeah, I think I'll just leave it like that. I'll just delete this. Then I'll also delete these entry points. There we go. I think can leave it like this, and maybe increase the size again. Okay. All right, guys, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, right? Because if you cannot see it, you can let me know. Then I can now observe it and see how far I can make it so that to be visible to you, right? So yeah, guys, this is just it. And I'll just put my levels as usual, levels of first take profit, second take profit, and things like that. It will help out a lot, right? It will help out a lot. So yeah, I think just let me know, guys, if you cannot see what I'm doing so far. It is very very important, so that I can just take note of it and start to make it visible to you, so that you can understand exactly what we are doing right here on YouTube, right? You can let me know. And just a quick note, guys, if today is the first time right here, you can just kind of smash that like button. Do like you want to break your screen, but don't break it, man. Don't break it, because I will not come and buy your screen for you. So just smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to the channel if today is your first time right here on ITT or Israel the Trader channel, right? So subscribe, guys, and also let's get it, man. Let's get it. Just give it a thumbs up, and that's how you can show, okay, Israel, we like what we're doing so far right here on YouTube, so that it will kind of motivate me to do more and things like that, right? It is very, very important, guys. So yeah, as you can see, Euro USD right now is trying to be in profit, and so it's pushing up to the upside right now. Let's just continue to wait and see exactly what is going to happen on Euro USD right now. And of course, I'll be monitoring the trade with you so that you can just we can just keep in touch and let you know what exactly is going on this trade, right? And of course, I have about 1 hour here and things like that. So after this 1 hour right now, we gotta go and do some stuff as well, right? So as usual, man, because that's what we do as always. As always, man, that's what we do. So it is what it is, and that's just it, man. That's just it. So yeah, guys, and let's go down and let me put my levels so that you can understand exactly where those levels are. So one is here around, that's for 50 pips, which is stop loss. Then first tip is around 19.835, 19.835. Yep, that's it, 19.835. Then I'll finish. Then second check profit is 20034, 20034. Nope, nope. Yep, 33. It's kind of same, so let me just leave it at 33. Then 20842. Okay, this is it. The final take profit. There we go. Boom. So those are our levels, which basically means that they are our stop loss. So here I'm gonna say stop loss for yeah, stop loss for, then it's gonna be negative 50 pips. That's the stop loss, and I'm gonna reduce this to maybe 24. Yep, 24 is okay. That's the stop loss, and then I'm gonna say this is first take profit, first TP for, and this is gonna be positive 30 pips. Then I'm gonna say second TP, where is this text? Okay, second TP is gonna be here. Second TP for is gonna be 50 pips. Okay, so and then final take profit is for 130 pips. So yeah, that's our final take profit, 130 pips here. Then I'm gonna see final TP, final TP for plus 130 pips. Oops, I meant to say positive. Yep, so that's it, guys, that's it. There's nothing much again. So yeah, these are our levels right now on Euro USD. So it's now left for us to monitor this trade so that we can just see if we should continue to hold this trade and things like that. And you guys can see when last I do this analysis for this volatility 75, it was right here, right? It was around this area when I said that okay, the market is gonna sell to the downside, but it took long time, man. So it took long time. Finally, it has reached my destination, right? That's reached my destination. This is volatility 75. So you can see this is where exactly I say that volatility 75 will reach, and you see that it has reached my destination successfully, man. So yeah, that's how I usually swing volatility 75 as well. I just do my analysis, you know, get into the market, set my take profit, set my stop loss, and leave it, let it run for where my final take profit is going to be, right? That's how I usually do for currency pairs and um indices, right? So that's just it, guys. So yeah, finally this hits my final take profit. So let's see if it's gonna just break out of this and continue to push back down to the downside. And of course, I doubt that it might start to push back up to the upside now. But before you can buy this, before you can buy it, you see, we are having this trend line right here. This trend line right here. So before you can buy this trend line, I have to must get broken. After which, then you can now start to buy it, right? So you see this trend line. It is a downtrending market, right? So that's the market structure. I'm trying to put this trend line the accurate way, right? Because I have to be careful. All right, yeah, perfect, like this. So you have to wait for this trend line to get broken and retest before you can now expect this to start to move to the upside. And this is where you have to wait for the retracement to come down. So this is where I'll be expecting the market to reach before it will come down for the retracement, right? So basically, I'm just giving you some sort of price movement and price action right here. So from here, you see that the market will break out to this point, then it will come down to this level before to push back up to the upside again. So this is what I'm seeing now on this volatility 75. If the market breaks to the upside, and of course it can still break to the downside and continue to push down to the downside. As you can see, there's something happened right here. The market respected this level. That's why you are seeing it pushing down to the downside right now. Let me put my rectangle anyway. So you see this level here. This is why you are seeing the market trying to push back down to the downside again. You see that retracement happened to this point from here to this, and now pushing back down to the downside, right? So that's just what I'm seeing on this. And that just it depends on where the market direction breaks out to. If it breaks out to the upside, I still wait for the retracement to happen and things like that, like this, before it to go back up to the upside. And if it continues to break down to the downside, it's gonna continue to go down to the downside from there. So either way, you have to just wait and see what exactly is gonna happen on that, right? So that's just for volatility 75, man. So all right, this is Euro USD, and it's still around our entry point, which basically means that it's still at break even, right? So it is what it is. Let's just try to wait for this Euro USD to continue to give us that perfect move and see what exactly is going to happen right there, right? It is very, very important. So let's just wait for it and things like that, guys. All right. Is there any question, guys, before we continue? Is there any question? All right, Bloody Gaming is saying, hey man, yeah, how are you doing, bro? Thank you very much. I hope you are good. All right. I appreciate your presence right here, man. Make sure I give this video a thumbs up, so that you can reach out to more traders, and so that they can come here and enjoy our live trade and things like that as well. And Beast Gaming is saying, hi Israel, hello bro, how are you doing? Thank you very much for being part of the ITT live forex trading on YouTube, right? And also you are saying, what do you think on gold? What do you think on gold since yesterday, since the yesterday spike with news? Since yesterday's spike because of news, right? All right, I'm gonna check that out right now so that I can let you know what exactly I'm seeing on gold as well. So let me see. Oh, come on, man. Gold is gonna go to the upside, man. Yeah, for sure. Come on, man. You can see I still got my analysis and things like that on gold, but I gotta remove everything today, so I just removed my drawing. Come on, everybody. This is perfect on gold right now. If I'm to trade gold, I'm going to go long on it, but you have to wait for the signal confluences to happen first. But I'm seeing that the market structure is pushing to the upside. Come on, everybody, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. So, I don't just spend that much time doing analysis because I know what I'm doing, man. I know what I'm doing. So, once you know what you are doing, no need for you to spend a lot of times doing analysis and things like that. You can just wake up from nowhere and start your analysis. You know what I mean? The only thing is that you have to do this like consistently, man. Consistently without stoppage and things like that. Because if you are not able to do it consistently, definitely, something else is gonna happen, right? So yeah, let me put another trend line here. I mean a support level here. You see that? That's another one. So I'm gonna put my rectangle around this zone. You see that we had a fake out to the downside from here. So that just fake out that happened in the market, and also there is another resistance level here on here, right? So now since I put these levels, you see that there's another level right here. There's another level right here. There's another level right there, right? So now let's wait for this to give us the perfect entry opportunity right here around price 1737.631. That's the price. So basically means that let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close. After it closes, before we cannot expect the market to continue to push back up to the upside. So right now the most important thing is that there is no form of a buying opportunity right here at this level right now. So let's just wait for the market to give us an entry point before we can get in for the buy. But right now I'm not saying that you can get into this market now. Don't buy it for now. So yeah, because it is bearish. The market is bearish right now, but it will definitely go back up to the upside. So that's what I'm just seeing on this um XAUUSD, which is gold, right? So you have to just wait for the market to give you a perfect entry point on this to get to ride it all the way to the upside. And another thing that can happen, guys, it can still come back down to retest this trend line before it will push back up to the upside. So what you are supposed to do right now as a trader, you have to monitor this move right here, so that anyone that happen, you not miss the trade, or you will not miss the entry point, right? It is very important. So yeah, you have to just wait for it to give you a perfect entry point, man. So yeah, that's what I'm just seeing on XAUSD right now. So you can let me know if you still have more question about this XAUUSD. Let me know right now if there's any other question, guys, before we continue with today's trade and things like that. So let me know. Is there any question? In the absence of question, let me check our Euro USD. Oh, come on, man. Euro USD is pushing back down to the downside as well for this retracement. So yeah, no panicking, guys. No panicking. So I'm not panicking, man. All right, does happen in the market. So it is what it is. How many pips am I in? Okay, but this is much, man. About 15 pips. Wow. About 15 pips in negative right now on Euro USD. So let's see what is going to happen right here. And of course, I'm still holding this trade, and if I see that the market is still giving me that perfect moves to the upside, I can even still extend my stop loss to maybe come down around this area to make it either 60 pips or something like that, since my final take profit is around 130 pips. So I'll still have that 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, right? So I'll just continue to monitor this pair being Euro USD, right? So let's see what exactly is gonna happen right here on Euro USD, guys. So I'm still in this trade and I'm monitoring it. Very, very important. All right. Okay, guys. So just see. So let's just wait for this market to start to move in our direction. So I'm waiting for that right now. So that's it. Have been around for a while. Just a question: why don't you trade gold or give a signal on gold? Is it because of the volatility of the pair? This game is saying why I don't trade gold anymore. I do trade gold before, you know. If you've been here since last year or so ever, this year I haven't traded any volatile pair at all. Like V75, gold, US30, Nasdaq. I do trade them before. That was last year, but this year I haven't traded them. So I usually trade these volatile pairs during June to from June to October or June to November, right? That's when I usually trade Nasdaq, US30, volatility 75, and things like that's when I usually trade them. So right now, I'm not interested in trading any of those pairs, you know. So I have my personal reason for that, and I keep it for myself, right? So June, come on, man. You have to see me trading Nasdaq, trading US30, trading volatility 75. All of these volatile pairs, I'll come back and start to trade them during that time, yeah, right? So just expect me to trade all these volatile pairs when it is June, right? So that just it, and it's just because of personal reasons. There's nothing behind it. That's just my choice, and that's how I usually trade it, you know. That's just it. So yeah, this game is saying no, I've just started following you 3 months ago. Okay, all right, got it, bro. Yeah. So just I'm gonna let you know that I usually trade gold, trade Nasdaq, US30, V75, and things like that. If you go down to my YouTube channel, let me show you when I made some sort of profit on this what do you call it? This gold and things like that. So let me just show you. Go to my channel so that I can just show you. If you go down to videos, I think right here, you know, I have a couple of videos right here, man. So if you go down, I think it was my early videos, something like that. Okay, you see right here, was it on gold? No, I think I kind of forget about it, man. Okay, yeah, I think this was it here. So I'm at 3 points, I think it's at 3.7, something like that. So if you just observe, you see July 15, 2020. So I upload this video July 15, 2020, which basically means that I do trade it, you know, when it is July, all of this stuff, right? So that's when I usually trade it. So yeah, in case if you are watching our videos and you see ads like this, don't ever skip the ads, man. We don't skip ads. That's how you can support the channel as well, and give us that some cents, you know. We can just support the channel like that, right? So that's how we do survive on YouTube, you know, because it is time consuming. We spend on it and things like that. So you gotta support the channel if you like what we are doing so far here on YouTube, right? It is very, very important. So yeah, Euro USD right now is kind of trying to act somehow the opposite way, right? It is about 70 pips in negative right now, so it is what it is. Like I said, I'm still in this trade. So yeah, I'm waiting for this to finish so that you can understand that how I made 3.7k profit trading gold x AUSD in 1 day. So this was July last year. You see that? July 15, 2020. So that's just it. So yeah, I do trade all these volatile pairs starting from June to November, and at times even December, right? That's just it. And that's just my personal things, you know. There's no much thing behind it, man. So that's just it, I think. So now we can skip it, and you see this is the video when I made the profit on gold. So that just it, guys. That just it. So that just it. Yep. So yeah, that just it about gold, man. So yeah, I do trade them. I just wanted to prove to you that here, I do trade them when it is July, June. Uh, oh my goodness, what am I saying? June, July, August, September, October, and November, and that's December, right? That's when I usually trade all of these volatile pairs. So that just me, guys. That just me. All right. Oh, thanks, bro. All right, man. Thanks you very much as well. Thank you and thank you. I really appreciate it, right? And Brody Game is saying, bro, what's the strategy for visibility? It's same strategy, man. It's ITT strategy. That's what we use for volatility 75. Everything, man. You know, our strategy works on everything. You know, you can work on V75, boom and crash, V25, all of this. You know, gold, US 30, Nasdaq, um, S&P, currency pairs, you know, just name them. It also even on stock market. That's what I usually use, man. Even on stock market, you know, I do trade stock as well. I do trade stock, but I don't want to show you my portfolio on stock, right? I don't want to show you my portfolio. So I think let me just check it for the day so that I can see how many percent am I. Okay, I'm up about 5 point something percent right now. Now 6.6 point okay, 6.7 now, 6.87 right now of my stock stock portfolio. So you know, I'm up 6.7, you know, just for one day. You know, that's awesome. That's awesome, man. So yeah, I do trade stock market as well. But let me just show you which stock I bought and things like that, so that you can understand that, oh, Israel actually trade stock. And so I just bought some part of these Guanovo holdings and things like that, or NVO, which is this on ONVO. I bought this. So I bought this, guys. I bought this. So now I'm in a buy. You see, after I bought it around 10 points. Let me see. Let me see my buying when I bought it. I bought this around 10.75. 10.75. So basically, this is where I bought it. 10.75. This is where I bought it. Okay, let me just put it so that you can understand exactly where I bought it, right? Let me put my this 10.75 10.76. So basically this is where I bought it, and you see that I'm now in profit, right? That's where I bought this. And my check, like when I'm going to be selling it, nah, not now, man, not now, because I checked this data. If you go back down to all the way to, I think, was it 1990 something or things like that, yeah, or 2017. No, I think I checked 1990 something whatsoever. Like that was the highest. So I'm planning to hold this for 20 or something years, man, because that's how I usually do. You see that I bought it when it is $10, right? I bought it when it is $10, and this is the highest point that it has reached, right? Since 19th of November 2013. I don't want to take you guys back all the way to maybe 1990 something or so, but just 2013, this market was around 200 and 270, yeah, $270. Let's just put it on average of $270. So 270, let's just put it right there at 270, right? Let me put it 270. So I'll just leave it like that, $270, right? So you see, that was the highest price right here since 19th of November 2013. Then it went back all the way to $10, right? And of course, if you don't know what you're doing, you can still lose money trading the stock market. So I highly advise you to kind of carry out your analysis and your research before you start to buy any stock market and things like that, right? So I do same analysis, everything, man. Come on, ITT strategy works on anything in the market, everything in the market. So yeah, so right now I bought it when the price is around this what is it called, it 10.75. So you can see that now the price is 11.23, right? So which basically means that I'm roughly about $1 in profit. It's not up to $1, 0. Come on, man, math. When I do this math, yeah, 0.42, yeah, 0.42. So it's not even up to $1. But if you bought about hundreds of it, that's going to be like around $42 in profit, right? So it's still okay. But me personally, I must make sure that this price goes up to around $250. 250. 250. So if I get about 100 shares of this OMVO right now, so multiply 250 by 1000 by hundreds. So 250 multiplied by 100, how much is that going to be? 25,000. And how much did I invest? 10.75 multiplied by 100, that's $1,075. $1,075. Sorry guys, there's zero, it's supposed to be zero here. So $1,075, and you now be making 25,000 if it finally 25,000 if it finally reach this 250 price like before, right? So now just invest this about 24,000 in profit. That's a quite amount of money, right? So that's just on one of your stock, and maybe if you bought some of them, don't just focus on, if you are trying to trade stock market, don't just focus on maybe Apple, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, all of these big companies. Don't just focus on them. There are a lot of companies, untapped companies, right? No, of course, nobody's even thinking about them. There is VOO as well. VOO, come on, everybody, it's now around price $365. And if you bought it right here when it was 298 and things like that, how much in profit is that? Around about $70 per share. $70 in profit per share if you bought it right there. And if you bought it when the price was around here, which was 19th of March 2020, so 1 year ago, the price was just about $200. That's around roughly 70 something percent in profit on one share in 1 year, right? So of course, stock market as well kind of makes sense anyway. And of course, you have to know exactly how to trade stock market and things like that. So I use same strategy, same everything on stock market, currency pairs, indices, anything at all that you can just imagine in the market. I'm not saying my strategy is the best, but I'm a price action and naked chart trader. So far, either indices, pair, indexes, currencies, stock, or so far they use candlestick. My strategy will work on it, except they don't use candlestick, right? Except they don't support candlestick. So far they support it, definitely our strategy will work out on it, man. So yeah, you don't have to be scared of that. So that just it. That just about this stock market and things like that. I just wanted to let you know, guys, that yeah, I usually trade stock market and some of these stocks. Some of these things in the market, right? So that's just me. And let's focus on our Euro USD anyway. So and just a disclaimer anyway. I'm not saying that my strategy is the best or whatsoever. I'm not saying that, but like for myself, it is the best, man. Come on, everybody. ITT strategy is the best. Like for myself, it is the best. I'm gonna rate myself like the best. The best, Come on, man. Of course, I'm not the best, right? I'm not the best, man. I'm just trying to joke here and things like that. I'm not the best, so yeah. But maybe if I have access to market makers, then I'm gonna be the best, man, because I have access to them and things like that. So let's just take it the way it is, man. All right. So yeah, if today is the first time right here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. It is very important, man. It is very important. That's how you show the love, man. That's how you show the love, and that's how you support the channel. You know, if you give this video a thumbs up, it helps to like spread the good news, right? You know, it will reach out to more people. So yeah, just give it, man. Just smash it right now, and let's see. All right. So somebody's saying, do you trade crypto, bro? Yeah, for sure. I trade crypto. Right now, I'm holding Bitcoin Cash. Let me show you. Let me show you when I bought Bitcoin Cash as well. Come on, everybody. Okay, that's BTC USD. I still have my analysis on Bitcoin as well. This was the analysis I did on Bitcoin. So yeah, right now it's kind of tricky anyway. But let me show you Bitcoin Cash. When I bought Bitcoin Cash, I think I share the analysis and everything with you guys, both for my free students and for my VIP and premium students, right? This is where I bought Bitcoin Cash. That was 27th of December 2020. So I'm 3 months now, yeah, roughly 3 months holding Bitcoin Cash right now. So I bought it, you know, maybe 10 or whatsoever. I think I bought 10 or whatever, and I'm still holding it, right? So I'm planning to hold Bitcoin Cash as well for years to come, man. This is just my investment. I invest some of my monthly income. I don't just spend it on maybe Lamborghini, spend it on Benz, latest BMW, buy $100,000 worth. You know, we're Google. You know, come on, man. I'm not for that. I'm not for that. I gotta think long term, man. I gotta think long term. As an entrepreneur, you have to create something that will continuously give you some amount of profit, right? So you can. This right now, it is the right time to start, man. Even if it's not up to, okay, let's take for example, you bought one Bitcoin Cash and you sold it when it reaches this 750 something dollars, right? And you bought it around when the price was around $327, right? That's around 100% profit. You see that? 100% profit. And if you bought around the 10 was roughly about let me excuse me, let me just calculate it. $327 multiplied by 10, that's roughly $3,270, and it went up for about 750, right? So now make $750 multiplied by 10. That's $7,500. That's roughly about $4,000 in profit. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? So that's more than 100% in profit in just how many months? Because this Bitcoin Cash reaches this level on 18th of February 2021, right? 18th of February. So that's roughly about 2 months of holding it, and in 2 months you got about 100% profit. Come on, man. What are you talking about? Is there anybody that can take 100% profit in just 2 months? You know, just 2 months you made about $4,000. That's a good startup if you know exactly what you're doing here in the market, man. You know, that just it. That me personally, like I said earlier on, I'm planning to hold this Bitcoin Cash for years to come. I gotta say, if Bitcoin Cash will be able to hit like $10,000, you know, that's just my goal. $10,000, man. Not 5,000, not 2,000, not 1,000. You know, 10,000. And of course, I'm willing to lose the whole money if the market crashes to $0.00. I know I gotta lose my money, right? Because that's just it, you know. That's just it. You have to just if you are investing, you have to just go with the mindset of anything that happen, let it happen, right? So you got to take the risk, and you know, anything that happen in the market, let it just happen. That's just it. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing right now on Bitcoin Cash as well. So I'm investing my money in crypto, specifically on XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin. I have a couple of thousands of Dogecoin right now. Thousands of Dogecoin, man. Come on, everybody, stop kidding me. You know. So this is Dogecoin. So you see that? I think I bought it. I bought it around here. Yeah. This was where I bought Dogecoin. Let me show you when I bought Dogecoin. You see this level? This is where I bought Dogecoin. and it came down for retracement again. See what I did? I said to come down for retracement before it to push back to the upside. So right now, that's what is happening on Dogecoin right now. So though it did not come down and reach my entry point though, but I have to just shift it like this so that I will just know that yeah, that's reached my entry point now. And now I'm still planning to buy Dogecoin, more of Dogecoin, man. I need Dogecoin to go and hit at least $1. If you got about got about 100,000 worth of Dogecoin, or let's say 10,000, yeah, 10,000 worth of Dogecoin, let's say 10,000, and it reaches about $1. So that's roughly, you now have about 10k, right? You now have about 10k. So if you reach about $10, you now have roughly about 100k, right? You now have 100k. So if you reach about $100, boom, where are you? 1 million. Come on, baby, you are now a millionaire. Milli. Come on, everybody. Come on, guys, stop kidding me. Stop kidding me. I gotta wait for this, man. I gotta wait. To be honest with you, I gotta wait for that. Just my mindset right now. And I'm seeing it is gonna happen in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, whatsoever. I don't care. All I know is that I will hold my Dogecoin, I will hold my Bitcoin Cash, I will hold my XRP, I will hold my stock market and continue trading. We gotta do this all together, man. We are here, and if we are still alive, you have to witness it, man. You have to witness it. You have to witness it, man. Come on, everybody, stop kidding me. Stop kidding me. It's just once you have the mindset of being an let's say entrepreneur, or being a forex trader, stock trader, or whatsoever. You gotta think long term, man. You gotta think long term and compound interest. This one I did not even talk about compounding. If you continue to compound on your account, of course, you gotta make a lot of money, man. A lot of money, baby. Let's get it. Stop kidding me. So yeah, not just it about crypto. I'm buying them, right? I bought some of them, so that's just it. And of course, I can still buy Ethereum, but I'm not in Ethereum right now, so I'm just looking at this ETH. So it is what it is, and I'm not just in it. All right, guys. So yeah, that's just about crypto, stock market, and things like that. That's why I say our strategy, ITT strategy, works on everything, man. Works on everything. Be it indices, be it stock market, be it crypto, be it whatsoever. I trade them using same strategy and things like that. You got to think long term, man. You got to think long term. That's just it. That's just it. So yeah, guys, and yeah, I'm still using a trader, and I'm still here, man. Come on, everybody, stop kidding me. Yeah. So let's get it, and then somebody say, yo, best Israel, thank you very much, man. Thumbs up for that. Please share analysis on GBP JPY. All right, I'm gonna check GBP JPY for you as well, but just remember we have about 12 minutes left for this live stream to end, right? For this live stream to end, and that just it. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys. All right. Sorry, I was kind of trying to check something and or things like that. So yeah, somebody ask us about GBP JPY. So this is GJ right now, 15 minutes. I gotta go back down to 4-hour time frame. This is 4 hour. Okay. Again, 1 hour. Okay. This is 1 hour right now. Let me check here around this area. Okay. Your GJ will still go back up to the upside because I'm seeing that there's still a lot of demand to the upside. But let me check something. What has happened here? I'm seeing some level that I marked out area on. I think this was early 2000s, and so I can't even get back to it. So yeah, it will still go back up to reach this level. And of course, it's kind of risky to buy it right now. Wait for it to come down for retracement completely, but it will go up again to that level after. Okay, it has broken out of this and retested, so now trying to go back up. So wait for this 1 hour candle to close and see if it will close bullish or bearish. And of course, right now, what the candle is doing is not interesting, except I see that it engulfs this previous bearish candle you see right here. Before you can now say, oh, it's kind of getting interested to buy the market and things like that, right? But as of now, I will advise you not to buy it. Wait for that move to happen before you now buy GBP JPY. That's just it, guys. So do you have any question on this? Because I still got my analysis on this, that's why I did not bother myself to kind of explain everything behind this GBP JPY analysis, right? So that just it. Is there any question, guys, before we continue? That just it, man. All right, I gotta get out of this. That just it. So let's go back down to our EUR/USD. EUR/USD right now is still trying to play. So we had some sort of a indecisive candle right here on the 1 hour time frame, but as like I said, I'm still in this trade, holding it, and you know, I'll see where the market is gonna go, right? That's just me, and that's how I trade, man. That's how I trade. So that's just it. And also, guys, if today's the first time here, you know, I don't know what you're waiting for, to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, follow us on our Instagram page, free Telegram channel. I share a lot of signals and a lot of good things there, man. So you have to join us on all of those platforms so that we can be connected right there as well, right? It is very, very important. All right, guys. So yeah, we are here. 9 minutes left in order for me to get out of here. Gotta do some stuff as well, right? So now that's just it. And let me grab some water so that I can take it as well, right? All right, that's just it, man. There's nothing much, and that's just what I'm saying on all of this. So you can see now, USD is trying to break back in and continue to push to the upside, right? So let's see if your USD is gonna get back inside of this where we took the trade, so we can ride it all the way to where we are expecting it to go, right? That's just it about that, guys. So I'm still monitoring this. Let's see. And of course, please don't over risk on your account, guys. It is very, very important. Please risk at maximum of 3%, at minimum of 1%, right? That's just it. That's just it. So, and that's just what I'm seeing on this. So you have to just trade with the mindset of saying, okay, you either make profit or lose money, right? Because either way, you must make sure that you are profitable. That's why I say focus on risk management as well. Not just you, seeing some people are making 10,000, 200,000, 1 million or server. You have to focus on yourself as well. Because me right now, I'm on my way getting to that 1 million mark, so I'm still processing it and things like that, you know. So I'm still on it, and of course, maybe I hit 1,000, 100,000, or a couple of it or server, because me too, I don't know. But all I know is that I'm kind of making money, right? That you see. But I don't make much, guys, because I'm not even to 1 million. Then, you know, I'm not even up to. Okay, let me not just talk about it. That's a personal stuff, man. That's personal stuff. So yeah, I don't want you to carry somebody gun to my house, point me gun on my forehead, say, "Hey Israel, you gotta bring back your money. Bring that money. Bring that money. You know, I don't want you to meet me in my house with a showing me gun on my forehead, man. I still love my life. Come on, bro. Come on, man. So it is what it is. You know, I'm still a broke guy, bro. I'm still broke. So just managing. Let's see how far God will help us. You know, that's just it. Don't impress community. That's another thing. Don't ever impress community. Impress yourself and never compete with anybody else rather than compete with yourself, right? Compete with yourself and that's just it. Forget about anything that happened and forget about everybody, you know. Focus on yourself, improve on yourself, compete with yourself, and do the best you can to see how you can make it in the industry as well, right? But never compete with anybody, man. That's just it. All right, guys. So yeah, we got about 4 minutes left right now. So yeah, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, this is the last time. I would just encourage you to subscribe, and that's just it, man. Because it is for your own good, bro. If I'm trading, I can still trade and make my money, right? But I don't want just to be making money alone, and you guys are losing money and things like that. So I still want you to be making some money and be profitable and say, "Hey, Israel, I made money. Thank you," or "Thank God for the knowledge," right? That's just it, man. That's just it. I need to pay. Everything is free. We are not charging anything on YouTube. I'm just doing this for you guys, right? Just doing it for you so that you too you can see the potentiality of you making it in the forex industry. So that's just it, man. If I can make it, you can make it. If they can make it, you can make it as well. Just set your goal and get in with that mindset of you gotta make it. You just have to decide, man. You just have to decide. Forget about everybody. If possible, just take a couple of months. Focus on yourself, improve on yourself, and things like that, right? You gotta be into. You gotta sleep late, you know. You gotta sleep late. You gotta wake up early. Sleep late, wake up early. I personally sleep 4 hours in these 24 hours that we have. You know that 4 hours, man. 4 hours. That's what I usually at maximum of 6 hours. Not just it. My conscience will not even allow me to sleep 8 or 10 hours. Come on, everybody. Am I dead to sleep 8 hours? You are not dead, so you gotta work, man. You gotta put in the hard work. Just do it and just decide for it. You know, any successful people that you see around the world today, if you ask them, they gotta tell you, you gotta put in the hard work and also don't enjoy your sleep, man. It's not by you just trying to stay awake and stopping yourself to sleep. You gotta just put in the hard work. Utilize that time that you are still awake. That's just it. That's just it, man. You gotta put in the hard work, you know, because without you putting the hard work, definitely, even if you are not sleeping, nothing is gonna happen except you put in the hard work and put in the best of yourself. That's just it. That's just it. Just for example, me, I don't sleep 8 hours, man. Never. I don't sleep 4 hours at maximum of 6 hours, right? So that's just me. And I don't put any alarm, you know. I will just wake up, you know. Whenever time I reach either 4 hours or 6 hours, I will just wake up, just like that. Just like that, man. Just wake up because I'm used to it. I'm used to it. So I'll just nobody will wake me up, but myself will just wake up and come back and start to do what I'm doing, you know, or attend to some business things and a lot of things like that, you know. So that's just it, man. That's just it. You gotta invest either 50% of your income, or you can invest 25. I mean, yeah, 30%, 25% whatsoever, just for your own good, right? For your own good. The stock market is there, everything is there for you to invest in. So it's not left for you to invest. Even if it's $50 you are investing every month, it's still something. It's still something. Yeah, it's still something. So that's just it, man. All right, guys. Yeah, we got back to the end of this live stream because we are more than 1 hour now. So yeah, let me just read what you guys are saying. Bless you, Israel, for your work. Keep it up. We'll be following. Yeah, thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it. You know, and I give you a thumbs up right now, but you can't see me, right? So after I finish my studio as well, you gotta see me trading, what I'm doing, and a lot of things like that, right? Hi Israel, how do I? Okay, EN analysis. Oh my goodness, there's no time again, bro, to do Euro NZD analysis. Maybe next time I gotta do it, right? Hi Israel, how do I get your personal training? Okay, all right. If you wanna get my personal training and things like that, of course, my website is still coming out right now. This is gonna be the website, ittforextraining.com. So this is gonna be the website, and right now I'm charging $300 for lifetime mentorship. So that's gonna be lifetime mentorship. But right once I release this website, it's gonna be $300 per year. So it's gonna be $300 per year. But right now, if you wanna join, just contact me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, whatsoever. Just contact me. I'll be able to see your message. And because if you want to sign up now, it is manual. And I told you I charge $300 for premium mentorship. Like I'll teach you our strategy. There's a lot of our previous Zoom calls so that I can be watching it and things like that. So we charge $300 for that, and we provide monthly signals. That's $50. So if you just want to get more information about it, you just hit me up on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, or Twitter, right? I will respond to you as soon as I see your message, as soon as I'm active as well. So that's it right now, guys. We are still negative on this Euro USD, negative around about 10 pips right now in negative. So it is what it is. Let's just stay calm and cool and wait for this market to give us a perfect move to the upside. But right now it's trying to react to this level and push down to the downside. So let's see what is going to happen. If it breaks out of this and continue to push down, definitely I'll let you guys know on whatsoever that I'm doing on my accounts about this trade as well, right? So yeah, that's just it. All the links to my social media platforms are down in the description below. You can let me know, and that's just it. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. If you have any question, maybe you can reserve it for our next class or next live stream, right? It is very, very important. So yeah, I gotta attend to some things as well. So yeah, I'm still Israel the Trader. Thank you very much for your presence right here. I'm gonna sign out. Peace out to you. See you next time, man. I appreciate your presence, bro. Yeah, see you next time.